Friends, I'm making this video in order to show how beautiful, peaceful, serene is this walk on the hills, on Mulund hills. This is the other side of Sanjay Gandhi National Park. This place is called the Duck Lane. I'll show you. Morning walks. You can see how beautiful it is, surrounded by trees. Yeah, that's how it looks. The mighty hills behind. I'm walking from the hill on the other side, which has a small Shiva temple and the very famous Ayyappa temple. I'm coming back to Mulund Hills. This place is called the Duck Lane because it seems there are pipelines going underneath. This was made actually during the British era. You can see how beautiful the place is. Yeah, this is how it looks, untouched by humans, all natural and beautiful. I'm walking. Today there are not many people around. Actually, it's not crowded any time. The morning walkers usually finish their walk and go back by 10 o'clock. So I came today at 10 o'clock, after 10, so that I can show you the beauty of the place. This is how it looks. Yeah, not a soul around. Very beautiful for morning walks. You can actually feel the fresh air, the sun, which is not so warm but comfortable for a walk. As I told you, it's from the British times. So you can see something that looks like a protruded part of a pipeline. Yeah, can you see that? It's so ancient, so ancient. I'll show you this. Okay, this is what it is. Yeah, look how it looks. Yeah, and now look at the hills. The roads are a little not so smooth. Lot of stones and butts of trees around. Yeah, that's how it looks. This is a place that you can come in order to escape from the hustle bustle of the city. This place is, imagine, this place is in the city, in Mumbai, and the ideal location for morning walkers. It's a restricted area, because of which you need to have a pass to come in here. You get a yearly pass. Senior citizens get some discounts. Okay, so this is what it is. I'm walking through the nature. You can see some buildings on the other side. These buildings are very close to the nature, because of which there is always a scare of monkeys and leopards. This hill has three levels. We are walking on the first level. After Duck Lane, there are two more levels. Morning walkers sometimes climb up to the second and the third levels. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, so I thought I'll make this video in order to show you how nice it is, very close to our city, but beautiful, secluded and serene. This place is not so advisable for picnickers because we don't want to mess up with the nature. We don't want picnickers coming here and spoiling things, leaving waste around. But of course, there are some who do come, but it's not advisable. Okay, can you see that? How beautiful that is. Yes, that is it. This is the walk on the Mulund Hills, surrounded by nature. Can you see that I'm alone here? Yeah. So I hope you will also find some peace here when you come here for a walk. The only request is not to pollute the environment here. Thank you. See you then. Bye.